Today, I'm going to teach you how to export vector files in Affinity Designer. This is an essential skill if you're working with graphics that need to be shared across different platforms or used in various design workflows. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you can either open your existing file or create a new one to get started with the export process. Next, look at the upper left toolbar where you'll find the File menu. Click on File, and from the drop-down options, select Export. This will open up the Export dialog where you can configure all your settings for the file you're about to save. Now take a look at the left sidebar in the Export window. Here you'll see several format options available for your export. The most commonly used formats are PDF, EPS, SVG, and PSD. These formats are particularly popular because Affinity Designer supports several vector-compatible formats to suit different workflows, whether you're designing for web, print, or editing in other applications. For this example, let's say you select PSD as your export format. Once you choose PSD, you'll notice additional options appear. You can select whether to preserve accuracy, preserve editability, or choose Final Cut Pro X compatibility. Each option caters to different needs depending on what you plan to do with the file afterward, so select your preferred option based on your workflow requirements. After that, navigate to the Area section. Click the drop-down menu beside it, and from the options presented, select Whole Document. This ensures that your entire project is exported rather than just a selected portion or artboard. Once you've configured all your settings, click the Export button to proceed. This will open a file browser window where you can choose where to save your exported file. In the file browser, select the folder where you want to save your vector file. If you need to rename the file to something more descriptive or organized, you can do that here as well. Simply type in your preferred title in the file name field. Finally, click Save to complete the export process. Your vector file will now be saved in the format and location you specified, ready to be used in your next project or shared with collaborators. And there you have it. You've successfully exported a vector file in Affinity Designer using the format and settings that best suit your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.